Hello XRP holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. In this video, I'm talking about XRP Ripple coin. What's the price? What's the price changes occur? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, guys, please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more update and news videos about XRP Ripple coin. Let me show you the right now price, and after that, guys, we're trying to detect the next move. What will be the next coming soon in XRP? Let's discuss, guide, but you have to subscribe ABS Take channel, guys. Anyways, guys, first of all, the one USD dollar. That's the good news for all of you. Congratulations. That XRP hit one USD dollar, and I believe that pretty soon XRP will also going to hit a two USD dollar. You can see, guys, the another good news for all XRP holders is there that the whole changes. You can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week, whole changes occur and XRP is going positive. So there's another good news for all of you guys. Very congratulations to all XRP holders, guys. Anyways, guys, you can see here today, and now just if you look the latest situation of XRP, so already you can see here in the latest situation XRP price pump highly. And I believe, guys, that for long time, for high time, XRP will continue this pump. Positive 1.67% changes over an XRP and 1.09 USD dollar. That is the highest price of XRP Ripple coin right now, guys. It's really a massive pump of XRP, and after watching this price chart, I'm sure that XRP will continue this pump for a long time, maybe for 1 week, maybe for 2 days, but they will continue this pump. Anyways, guys, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell, or hold any crypto, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe channel.